Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to discuss about how you can spy your competitors' Facebook ads. So these ads can act as a guidance for you to know what kind of offer to put or what kind of message you want to put in, how's the copy like, what kind of advertising campaign that they are doing. So you can use to model it. I do not encourage you to copy exactly the same because it does not, it works for them. Yes, it may work for you as well, but it does not display your personality and what your companies bring. And you can model how they do it, what is written, and maybe you can have some idea about what kind of campaign, what kind of promotion that you can do. So this is a great way for you to spy on other people's campaign and to know what is going on in the market right now. So if you are stuck, you want to run the Facebook ads but you just have no idea how to start, this is one way you can do it. Spy on them, model them, and then create your own. So without further ado, let's jump right in. The first way you can spy on other people's ads or campaigns, or just to know what your competitor is doing, is to go to his page itself, to use Facebook to search for it. So when you go to the Facebook page, you get to see this is his page. I chose Russell Brunson because he's one of the biggest marketing personality in the world right now, and it's good to know what kind of ad that he's running, right? So this is his main page. So when at his page, you get to see the posts or the likes. There's a message there and who likes them. For us to know what kind of ads he's running currently, you have to go to left hand side, and then you'll see this info and ads. Click on it, and then you see all the ads that's currently running in Malaysia. I'm based in Malaysia, so that's why I see all the pages in Malaysia. You get to see what kind of copy that he writes, how he write it, what kind of the link that you go to, what kind of pictures that he use. So if you want, you can model him, or to use any other method. So other than him, maybe you want to see any other marketing personality, you can go to, for example, Tony Robbins. Just see if you write any ads or not. So you just go to his page, go to info and ads. Yeah, he's not running any ads in Malaysia, that's why I never see it. So yeah, he's running in all English speaking countries. So you go to United States, bam, you get to see all his ads. So in United States, he's running one-on-one coaching. This is kind of ads you can see. You can do this for any other niche as well. You just have to know what kind of campaign or what kind of page that you're using. So for example, you want whatever niche is it, you should have known what kind of influencers or maybe companies which is in your niche. And this is how you research and how you spy on what kind of ads they use, what kind of picture they use, what kind of video they use, which you can model them and use it in your own marketing as well. Yep. So this is the first and of course the very obvious way, the one of the easiest way for you to get started, for you to know what kind of ad copy to run for your own campaign. But there's also another way, which is the second way, for you to check on other people's ad, because you might not know what kind of niches they are in, and I mean what kind of page or company is in your niche and what are they running. So you can go to this website, just https://adespresso.com/ads-examples/ sadly to say, the time that I do this recording, the ads gallery is currently undergoing a major makeover, but this is actually one of the main source where I get my inspiration of writing ads. Basically, you can just put any niche, you just type it here and you click find ads now, then you can have a list of ads that pop out. So just to keep in mind about this platform, so from time to time when you are looking for inspiration, you can just come to this website, adespresso.com/ads-examples/. Yep.
Well, obviously, when you talk about Facebook marketing, you must also look into mobile. So other than checking the ads using desktop, checking it in mobile is a bit different. For example, we use Russell Brunson as the page that we're going to check. So we want to know what kind of ads is he running currently. Let me off the sound. So instead of you going to the computer and as mentioned earlier, how you're going to check it online using desktop, you can check it with the phone as well. And you see this I button here. There's one I symbol just above the pictures. Yeah, above the header. Just click on the I button, then you get to see page info. So this is about who managing the page, and then you want to see the active ads. You go to active ads, and then you'll be able to see the ads that is running. So this is one way you can spy on other people's ads, not only Russell Brunson. It is actually compulsory by Facebook. So any pages that you are interested to know what kind of ads they're running, you can just come here and it will be all shown here. You can change by country. For example, you want to see in United States. United States. There. There. Then you'll be able to see what kind of ads that he runs instead, because if the true marketer sometimes will have different kind of ads for different country. So that's it for you to spy in Facebook using your phone.
Yep, that's it. So there'll be two methods for you to spy on your competitor or to get inspiration how to do ads. The first method is by using Facebook itself. Just go to the info and ad section and you'll be able to check what kind of ads is being run by your competitor. The second way is by Ad Espresso, which sadly to say currently their ongoing improvement process. So do check on it time to time. It's very good if you don't know your exactly who's competitor, but you still want to check what is the ads running around on each. That website is really good, highly recommended. And yeah, so these two methods, and hopefully it will be able to give you inspiration for you to continue to do your new ads, your own ads. So if you like what I've shared, do like and subscribe to my channel to support me, and I'll keep on doing my best to give you best content. Thank you. Bye bye.